As for the questions you've surely asked me in the comments regarding Budgerigars, I have summarized answers to the 10 most frequently asked questions in this video. Hello, and welcome to Welliness and Happiness Birdies channel. There are no stupid questions. Caring budgie friends inquire and ask questions to ensure their pets feel comfortable. I'm happy to answer them for you. I have linked a playlist with detailed videos on all questions in the end card and in the description. The Budgerigar is one of the most popular pets in Europe, right after cats and dogs. They are small, cute, not very expensive, and easy to keep. This raises a particularly pressing question. How do you tame Budgerigars? I will go into this in more detail later in this video. Now to the questions. 1. How many Budgerigars should one keep? Budgerigars are social animals and need at least one companion of their own kind. It is nice to see them playing, chirping, and nibbling with each other. A budgie partner always has time for their friend. Unfortunately, you as a human cannot provide this for them. 2. How big should the cage be? The cage should be large enough for them to fly around a bit. A minimum length of 80 centimeters is required for a pair, with free flight per day. It should not be overcrowded with toys and perches. Bigger is always better. 3. What should be considered regarding the cage location? The cage is best placed in a bright area, but not in direct sunlight. Avoid drafts. The kitchen is not suitable for this. It is best located in the room where you spend the most time so that the little chirpers can be a part of life. Budgerigars like to sit high up, so please do not place the cage on the floor. 4. How often and how long should Budgerigars have free flight? Daily at least 4 hours in a secure room. 5. How do you occupy Budgerigars? With swings, climbing toys, chewing toys like cork and fresh branches, willow rings, grid balls, or bells. Many things are offered commercially, but be careful. Not everything is really suitable for Budgerigars. 6. Do Budgerigars need a night light? Some cover their Budgerigars with an opaque blanket at night. This makes sense if you're staying up longer to watch TV, or if light at night disturbs your sleep. It also has the advantage that they are quieter in the morning. If you keep them in a room where you do not sleep yourself, a small night light is beneficial to avoid night frights. 7. What is the right diet for Budgerigars? A Budgerigar feeds on ripe and unripe grass seeds. Various types of millet, canary seed, and a little hold oats are all that your budgie needs in terms of seeds. Make sure that commercial feed mixtures do not contain sugar, honey, or dried fruits. It's better to avoid snack sticks. For treats, millet sprays or some fruit are suitable, while healthy, vitamin-rich supplementary foods include organic salads, herbs, and vegetables. 8. Which herbs and plants are suitable? Kitchen herbs such as arugula, parsley, basil, and wild herbs like plantain, dandelion, chickweed. Wild grasses with ripe and unripe seeds, organic salads, carrots, preferably with greens, cucumber, and many other vegetables. Additionally, pet stores offer tasty cat grass, green lily, and creeping thyme in organic quality. For purchase, you can offer hazel, birch, willow, maple, and fruit trees. 9. Can budgerigars eat everything? No. Everything that comes from your table, sausage, cheese, dairy products, chocolate, chips, honey, sugar, avocado, mushrooms, alcohol, and all ornamental plants are absolutely taboo. Last but not least, number 10. The most in-demand topic that you've been waiting for. How to tame budgerigars. Budgerigars are prey animals and therefore naturally shy. You must gain their trust for them to become tame. You cannot force them through food deprivation or by catching them and holding them in your hand. This will only make them more fearful. What you need is a lot of patience and perseverance. Speak to them softly and calmly. Sit in a room with them and read a book, or listen to music with headphones to get them used to you. Avoid noise and sudden movements. Hold red millet sprays up to the bars until they nibble on them. Later you can offer them in the cage, but only if they do not retreat. Always getting a little closer to them until they have to touch your fingers to reach them. If they're sitting on your fingers, you can gently try to touch and stroke their belly with one finger. Never the back. Practice with them for 10 minutes several times a day, saying, maybe today, tomorrow I don't have time, and maybe the day after tomorrow will not lead you to your goal. You can also play budgerigar music and chirping for them to calm them down. This way, they will gain courage more quickly when you work with them. Take your time and focus on the birds. Do not make phone calls on the side, and do not get distracted by television or social media. The little chirpers notice that immediately and lose interest. Also, do not overwhelm them, do not rush them, and give them the time they need to trust you. Some budgerigars gain trust immediately, while others take longer. So, do not be disappointed if it does not work out right away. If you stay persistent, patient, and endure without losing your temper, it will definitely work out sooner or later. There are still many questions. In 2 weeks, I will happily answer 10 more frequently asked questions in a video. Stay tuned. See you on Friday. Bye, and stay healthy.